Hey, girl.
Girl, lean up the phone and continue talking. You ain't ready yet? Huh?
No, I'm not ready yet, girl. I don't ready as yet.
Really? How come? You should be ready.
No.
How you gonna do it with Mama True?
Mama True gone on the road.
Oh.
So I say me I get ready. Come in, I think she'll come home now.
How do you know that?
So
How do you know?
May I go at the little party for the little time?
Oh. Huh. Careful.
I don't know, maybe she come home maybe like curfew time.
But what if she come before curfew time? What are you gonna do?
I don't think she gonna come before them. Before that time.
Well, even if she doesn't come, then you can just stand up to her like how I stand up to my mom, so that you can go to the party if you want to go to.
Girl, you stand up to your mother?
Yeah, why not? I have to. That's how come I was able to do what I want the first time I stand up with her. It's it for me. I can go wherever I want. I can do whatever I want. So, do that. Yeah, do it.
You don't get beaten?
No, she wouldn't dare put her hands on me.
If I try that with Mama Tracy, she kill me.
No, there. It's not like my mom was not like that, you know. It's just that the moment I stand up to her, everything changes. So.
You mean to tell me I saw your mother used to treat you?
Yep. Very much so.
So all me need to do, I stand up to her.
Yes, you need to let her know that you're a grown miss, you know.
Just the one time.
One time, girl. One time. Stand up.
And then.
One time.
She will just change.
Yeah.
So I believe that she will lick me.
She would be so frightened, girl, she wouldn't even remember. She would see as the grown one.
Okay, then so we know, say, may I come at the party, whether she come or not. So if she come, may stand up to her. If she not come,
you can't be prosecuted for that.
May I go at the party.
So come, girl, tell me, what are you gonna wear?
May I wear the little, you know, the glitter dress? Yes, that's what I'm wearing.
Girl, you're gonna be
so
hot.
excited.
Yeah. Your crush. Yes, love. Putting on your makeup and stuff. What else you had to do? You know, we have to get ready.
Yeah, all I do, I put on my lash and put on my lip
Goodie.
gloss. I put on my powder.
Face looking nice.
So I need to put on my lash and my lip gloss, and then I'm drawing my dress, and then I'm out of here.
And then you see Mama True coming up, meeting you right at the door.
You see, after what you tell me, girl, I'm enough afraid of Mama True.
Yeah.
Jesus is
Let's
Lord.
stand up to her.
Yeah, good.
No business.
Long time you should do that. Long time.
She can't do me a thing.
Yeah. What is it? What is
I
it?
swear me, somebody ought to do the call.
Maybe it's that big ugly Mama True. You call your mom with a big riggedy hair and that long time kerchief over it. Girl, I wouldn't be afraid of her. Not at all. And now you said it. She can't do you nothing, right?
But like me say, Mama True can't do me nothing.
Good girl. I don't even know if you're really gonna stand up to Mama True. I would love to see that.
You don't know me?
No.
You don't know
No.
me? Once me see me stand with something, me stand up to Mama True. And your Mama True come in here right now.
I believe you, girl. I believe you.
Me not
Stand
afraid
up
of
to
her.
her.
Me not afraid of her. Me I tell you, I'm a mama. I'm not afraid of her. Me look here. She can't do me nothing. Me I stand up to her right now. You not hear me say? You not hear me say?
Yes, that's my girl.
Listen,
Stand
girl.
up to
Me
her.
not afraid of Mama True.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
man.
girl.
Me tired.
Yes.
Me a big old 17-year-old. Me need
Me
to
know,
go out.
yes, girl.
Me need to have fun. When Mama
I
True
know.
young, she could have fear fun. Me need to go out. So anytime
Yes.
you see her, me I stand up to her.
That's my girl. That's my... What is it? Somebody there? Girl, what is it? Don't tell me it's your big, ugly, giddy old red
You know
head.
you can be prosecuted
I know
for
it's not
that.
Mama True. What is it? Why are you behaving like that?
Hey, how you
Huh?
meet me?
Girl, do you see a ghost? Do you see a ghost? Girl.
Mama True.
Oh, Mama True. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
So you ready to stand up to me? You ready? Stand up.
Mama True play. Me did not play. Me never mean it.
Stand up. Both you are going to stand up. Both you are going to stand up. Come here, let me show you what is stand up. Come up to me. Come to me. That is stand up, boy. You're 17. You buy food. You build a house. Come out here if you think you're bad. Come out here if you think you're bad. Sit down. Bright. That will stay right here till tomorrow.